Good morning, year ones. We are starting a new unit in math about height and length. Before we do that though, let's warm up our brains for numbers by counting from 0 to 20 in twos and then backward. I know it's a bit tricky, but you can do it. Count with me. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Did you count with me? Well done. Now let's go backward. Are you ready? 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Are you feeling warmed up? Let's get on to our math lesson. Let's start with height. When we measure height, we're looking at how high, how tall something goes up and down. If we're talking about one person or one thing, we could say, he is tall, she is short. But if we are comparing two different heights, whereby we need to start at the same line on the bottom, we would say, the boy is taller than the girl. Or, the girl is shorter than the boy. Now, let's talk about length. Length is related to height, but instead of measuring from up to down, we measure from side to side. Still though, we need to make sure that we are measuring both items from the same starting place. Similarly, if we talk about one thing, we can call it long, or we can call it short. But when we're comparing, we use the word longer, in this case, to describe the longer pencil, or shorter, in this case, to describe the shorter pencil. Lastly, if the things that we're comparing are equally tall or equally long, we can use the language of the boy is the same height as the girl, or the boy is as tall as the girl. Discussing length, we can say the bar is the same length as the other bar, or bar 1 is as long as bar 2. After watching this introduction into height and length, please complete the activity on Classroom Dojo. If you or your parents have any questions, please send me a message. I look forward to seeing your learning. Thanks.